This is Thierry from Paris in France. I hope you are fine. You know, when I was a kid, I have been fascinated by magnets, and I used to play with them in my room. That's why many years after I have been working on this field, and especially on the levitation technology. Today, I would like to introduce you with a brand new device developed with my friends Robert and Mr. Lee, Circlo. Circlo is the first LED table lamp working with the fly switch system. Let me show you. Very easy to use. Switch on the light, switch off the light with the dimmer included. This smart switch system is unique. Of course, it makes Circlo completely different from all other levitation devices. Circlo is combining pure design, science, and of course, magic.